All right, here's a quick how-to on my standards mapper spreadsheet. First show you the overview, and then I'll show you how to do it all. So the goal is I would set up a list of standards down one column, a list of my classes down the other columns. Then I can just go through and put an X or any mark in the cells that indicate my class is teaching that standard. And then I run an output summaries, which creates these sub tabs on the bottom, which has the list of standards per class ready to paste into a syllabus or a document or what have you. So to do the same for a different set of standards, you'd come to the standards mapper template. You would make a copy. In this case, I'm going to say ELA 912 reading standards mapper, just to take a different set of standards. I grab the frameworks I am interested in. Down to. All right, so let's say I want to take these reading standards for literature. I can grab the standards I want, copy them, Control C, come back to my new standards mapper. I'll do a paste values only, so they just come in like this. This is going to require a little bit of tidying up to get them in the format I want. I have a script that actually is going to let me take these ones that came in as 2 lines and merge them. So standards mapper, merge standards. First time you run my script, you'll have to authorize that you trust me. Lovely. That's going to merge all the numbered ones down. Looks like it actually did it all perfectly this time. In this case, the English standards don't include the whole standard code there, so these should be called RL1, RL2 for reading 9 to 12, reading and literature. Maybe they should be called, 9 to 10 RL. So I'll, oops, this is 9 to 10. So I'm going to use advanced find and replace. If you know regular expressions, Sheets now supports regular expressions. If you haven't heard of them, let me show you how awesome they are. So I'm going to find the number 0 to 9 occurring more than once, followed by a period. And I'm going to replace it with 9 to 10.rl dot, and then the $1 just means whatever I matched. So let's see if that works correctly. Beautiful, 9 to 10 RL1. I'll do that throughout. And now those standards all look right now. 9 to 10, oops, except for the first one, which I did the find replace on twice. Fix that up, beautiful. So now I have the standards, 9 to 10 RL1. If I were teaching a class, 2 classes I wanted to map standards for, I might say, literature of love, literature of hate, and I could come down, map which standards each class was covering. Maybe there's some overlap. And then output summaries. And there's literature of love. There's the standards I checked. And there's literature of hate. All done. So depending on how geeky you are, this may seem faster or slower than the old way of doing it. If it seems faster, give it a go.